a beacon of faith and service. His life was a testament to the power of compassion, dedication, and love. As we remember his remarkable journey, let us draw inspiration from his example. Let us strive to emulate his commitment to spreading the gospel, serving the needy, and nurturing communities. May his legacy continue to guide us, and may we work together to make a positive impact in the world. As we reflect on his life, let us renew our own commitment to faith, services, and love. May we be inspired by his example and continue to build a brighter future for all.